Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to transform this little coffee wine area from this to that for under $150. Alright, so y'all remember this area. I'm about to get it cleared off because we went and brought some boards. These boards were $23.98. They are 4x8. And I had them cut in half into 4, but we only probably need to use 2, so I may save them for another project. But this is what we have going on. It's a little junky over there. Some stuff that don't need to be over there is going to be over there. But anyway, we're going to put these up on the wall, and then we're going to paint them blue. I'm going to show you the paint that I got. This right here is the paint that I got. It's flat colored, and it is called Stunning Sapphire. It was $9.98 from Glidden, and I got it from Home Depot. This is another, so this is the color that I wound up getting. So it says Stunning, but it's really darker. But it's Stunning Sapphire. That's the one that he gave me. So I went to get a nail gun, and this is actually a staple and a nail gun, and they're really small nails. I think this was $69 or $67, something like that. And then I winded up getting these brad nails, 18 gauge 5x8. So they're gonna go into there, and this is an electric one. And I got all of this stuff from Home Depot. So right here, I'm just showing you guys what the area looked like before we got started. Okay, y'all, so that side is not painted pretty evenly because I didn't have any painter's tape, and I didn't get any. You can see that the paint is kind of blotchy a little bit. It's still drying, but I'm basically all out of paint anyway. It doesn't bother me that it's like a two-tone color. It's 2:34, so I'm about to head to bed, but I just want to show y'all how it looked before I went to sleep, and we'll see how it looks in the morning. Please come back for part 2 when we add shelving and wine racks mounted to the wall.